Hello beautiful people, how are you doing today? I hope you're good. Let's make easy chocolate ice cream. We'll be using a big bowl so that this wouldn't be spilling over, and I added in whipping cream and I added in cold water. This cold water has ice in it, and gently I'll mix this together before putting on the mixer, the hand mixer. And we are going to mix this for a minute. Please do not allow it to get to stiff peak. We are looking out for a soft peak. We're mixing with the lowest speed level of the hand mixer. To get the perfect texture for your ice cream, you will have to measure your ingredients and have it at the right measurements. And you will need your kitchen scale to measure this. It's not based on assumptions. Once you see it forming like this, we'll have to stop, and with my spatula I'll clean the sides of the bowl so that everything will come in together and mix well together. And we're going to mix this for another minute. A Glory Homemaker will give you value for your time. And I brought in the condensed milk. I brought in cocoa powder. I used Milo beverage for this. If you want yours darker chocolate, use cocoa powder and increase the quantity till you get the darker chocolate color you prefer. Stir the size of the bowl again so that when we mix this, everything will come together. I cleaned my spatula with the size of the hand mixer. That will keep all our ice cream intact. And we'll mix this again. If you mix it more than this, or if it gets to stiff peak, you'll be eating frozen butter or frozen pudding. And that's not what we are looking out for. It will still be sweet, but the texture in your mouth will not be the same as when you didn't allow it get to stiff peak. And we'll clean this up. We're going to transfer this. Look at the consistency we have here. It's not stiff because we are not making cake. We are not making icing for cake. And I'll transfer this to my bowl. I'll use my spatula to level this up so that they are all at the same level. And we're going to send this to the freezer for up to 6 hours. If you have the time, you can leave it overnight. I covered it tightly in an airtight container. If you don't have the cover for your container, you can use a cling film to cover this. And this is the next day because I left this overnight. Let's scoop our yummy ice cream. My children couldn't have enough of this. They were asking for more and more and more. You can also make this. It requires only 3 ingredients and you'll be good to go. Thank you to all my subscribers for always checking out my videos. I really appreciate you guys, and God bless you. Let's have a taste of this. This tasted heavenly. You'll be surprised you made your own ice cream at home at little or no cost. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like and share my videos and get amazing contents like this. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.